Meanwhile, the Supreme Court set to hear arguments today on President Trump's authority to issue tariffs.
An appeals court previously ruled 7-4 against President Trump's authority. But one Obama-appointed judge on that panel argued Congress had explicitly granted the president broad powers in foreign affairs. The Department of Justice is expected to point to that dissent in their arguments.
President Trump is calling the matter life or death for the United States. Let's bring in the Attorney General for the United States, Pam Bondi. Madam Attorney General, thanks so much for joining Fox and Friends this morning.
Thanks. Good morning.
Good morning. Let's set up the case. I know this is going to be litigated in front of the Supreme Court, but the solicitor works for you.
He does.
Why does the president have the authority to do this?
President Trump absolutely has the executive authority to do this. Not only is it a matter of national security, but also great wealth for our country. And John Sauer is my Solicitor General. He is more than prepared
Attorney
to go
General
Lawrence
Bondi,
today.
can you hold on one second?
Sure.
We're just going to fix your audio for a second. But
Sure.
that's just it. I mean, what they're going to do is they're going to say this is an emergency. And they're going to say this is our power. And I think the pushback with the individual that's suing is Congress has that authority to issue tariffs, or at least should be able to approve it.
All right. I think we got the Attorney General on right now. Pam?
Hey, yes, hey, Rachel. Yes, and Lawrence, to answer your question, yeah, the president has the authority to do this under his executive authority. John Sauer is my Solicitor General. He is more than prepared. We feel very confident. And this is the most important case in front of the Supreme Court. John Sauer will do a great job. Not only is this about national security, but also our economic security around the world. President Trump just secured one of the greatest trade deals in the history of our country with Asia and other countries. And he has to be able to do that to protect America. And he firmly has the right to do that under the law. John Sauer is going to do a great job. The hearing starts in about an hour. It's probably going to go 3 to 4 hours today, and we're looking forward to it. We're very much looking forward to presenting our case. Scott Bessent will be in there watching, and I believe Jamison Greer also.
Yeah. Well, Attorney General, talking about protecting Americans, you a few months ago put a $50 million, you don't call it a bounty, but reward for Nicolas Maduro.
Sure
Are
did.
you surprised that no one has taken you up on that yet? That no one has turned in Nicolas Maduro with $50 million, the largest amount the federal government has ever placed a reward for the capture?
Yeah, Rachel, it's the largest amount in the history of our country, as it should be. He is not a legitimate leader. He is a narco-terrorist, and he has caused the deaths of countless lives of Americans by his narco-terrorist regime and the drugs flowing into our country, and it's going to stop. Will we catch him? We will catch him. This country will catch Maduro. Can't talk about the details, but he should be very frightened.
All right, so let's talk about something else that came out a couple of days ago. It looks like an ISIS-inspired attack on Halloween. The FBI did a great job finding it, unwinding it, and stopping it. The amount of firearms found and armaments found is flat out stunning, thinking about the damage that could have been done. You got AR-15s, you got 1,600 rounds of ammo. When did you first become alerted to this potential plot, and how do you characterize the action taken?
Yeah, Brian, and this shows all the great work of the men and women in law enforcement. We've been aware of this for quite a while. We were talking about it every single morning. They've been working on this for quite some time. The great men and women of the FBI, the state and local law enforcement, our U.S. Attorney, Jerome Gordon, in the Eastern District of Michigan. Everyone, this has been a team effort, and everyone's done an incredible job, and they've stopped a major terrorist attack. These two defendants, not only what you said, had 1,600 rounds of ammo, they had countless AR-15s, they had shotguns, they had handguns, and they were going to the range to perfect their skills, and they also, and this is all out of our indictment, by the way, because it's a pending case. I'm only saying what's in the indictment. They also had been going to the range to perfect their skills, and they had discussed the 2015 Paris attack. So they were fully planning on a terrorist attack in our country. There's going to be more to come on this, but that's what we can talk about now, Brian.
Is there any link overseas?
There'll be more to come on this. This is all I can talk about now on it. But these are American heroes at work, because our incredible teams stopped a horrible terror attack on the United States of America. And this is what the great men and women of law enforcement and at the Department of Justice are doing every single day. So much of it you'll never see, and that's a good thing, because plots are stopped thanks to them and thanks to Donald Trump, who is going to keep Americans safe.
Great stuff. We really thank you for joining us this morning, Attorney General Pam Bondi.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.